Nowadays, between the beginners, here is a very common questions that say, what is Shannon? What kind of attack it is, or what is a job? How you can attack with it? And in this video, I'll explain it all. And that first, what is Shannon tool? Uh, First of all, I want to say that it's not a single attack. It is not a malware. It is AI-assisted penetration testing framework. It means that it helps security professionals to test systems. It simulates how attackers think. It it's used to find weaknesses before the real attackers or the real hackers do it. And that's why in the bottom of this attack, it's right the defensive security only. And the second question, what kind of attack is this? So it's not malware. I said it's not hacking random websites. Shannon is used for authorized penetration testing. It means it is uh, ethical hacking, red team, or security assessment. It helps web application testing, network security testing, and misconfiguration detection, uh, the weak authentication check, AI-assisted analysis of vulnerabilities. Think of it like a security scanner, human brain, and an AI. And what does Shannon high level? In fact, it collects information about your target. For example, you want to test a website or you want to test a network. It collects information about that and analyze possible ways how to attack on it or that kind. Uh, what weaknesses it has, and the third one suggest possible attack paths. For example, it says by this method you will attack on that, or you can access on that website. That's it. Most of you will ask, why is it ethical? It's ethical because of it that ethical mean you own the system or you have written permission from the uh how we can say companies or the yes, that kind. And your legal practice labs. For example, you practice on a try hack me website, or you practice on the hack the box. It is academic or OWASP juice shop. Uh, it is locally. And that's all about the chain attack. Uh, Make sure that you attack with permission or do it illegally, not illegal. Because it is so dangerous for you that hack a system without permission. Uh, it's not unethical but illegal also. So that was today's video, and in the next video I will show you how to do this kinds of attack, or the you have how you can work with the channel and analyze possible weaknesses or the suggest possible attack path, and this kind. In the next video I will show you how to do that. Goodbye.